Well, it's 4th of July weekend, and I know a lot of people will be heading out today or this evening to start the weekend out early. I know that I was on the roads this morning in Pennsylvania and New Jersey seeing clients, and I could tell by the traffic that people were already starting the weekend. With that said, I always give my weekend tips. I'm coming at them a little early this week because I know a lot of people will be gone by tomorrow. So with that said, as always, if you're stopped for DUI or DWI in Pennsylvania or New Jersey, always be polite to the police officer. Do not refuse the chemical test, whether it be a blood or breathalyzer test. Remember that you are able to refuse a field sobriety test, but if you refuse the chemical test, it will result in an automatic driver's license suspension, regardless of what happens during the criminal prosecution. So do not refuse that test. If you are stopped, simply give your license, registration, and that's it. Do not engage the officer any further in conversation. You are under no obligation to tell the officer where you're going or where you've been. If they've asked if you've been drinking, again, you have no obligation to answer that question. Just simply be polite with the officer. And if he or she is going to arrest you, let them arrest you. Don't fight, don't engage. Just simply let them arrest you, contact an attorney. At our law firm, whether it be in Pennsylvania or New Jersey, we answer calls 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 215-755-9000 in New Jersey, 856-793-7429 in, 215-755-9000 in Pennsylvania, 856-793-7429 in New Jersey. Our website, GamboneLaw.com. We answer our questions 24 hours a day, 7 days a week as well. On that, you can send us a text message. With regards to text messaging, I'm doing a case now where text messages are a critical piece of evidence. If you are engaged in any type of activity, referring to criminal activity, be careful what you text to friends or colleagues or associates. That is all potentially admissible data. You may be texting and it may be being observed by a police officer or a confidential informant may be texting you. So just be aware of who you're communicating with. It's important that documenting anything always creates a problem from a defense standpoint. So just keep that in mind. Finally, with regards to traveling, if you're traveling into New Jersey, your Pennsylvania gun cannot be taken into New Jersey. There is no reciprocity. Even if you have a permit to carry, a lot of people have asked me about this universal carry and they've heard about it. It's not the law. It's not going to be the law, especially in New Jersey. New Jersey has very, very strict gun laws. We're not Pennsylvania. It's very different in New Jersey. Most people, unlike Pennsylvania, cannot obtain a permit to carry in the state of New Jersey. So just keep that in the back of your mind. Finally, if you're traveling with kids, just be aware of obviously drinking and driving. I mean, my rule of thumb, if you're traveling with children, I don't drink alcohol at all. That may sound like just a overly protective position, but my policy is that if you're traveling with kids, no alcohol. That's just, it's just very important to be alert. And if you are in a situation where you are stopped and arrested for a DUI or DWI and there's a child in the car, more than likely you will find that the prosecution can and will charge you with other offenses, probably something like endangering the welfare of a child, which is obviously a serious offense. If you are a single parent or you're a parent who shares custody with someone else, again, that can also create a possible custody issue down the road. So with that said, please enjoy the weekend, and I will talk to you all soon.